This is crazy. Uh, it literally took me an hour and 40 some minutes to get the microphone working on my computer. It's crazy. I literally was exhausted when I first started trying. I just wanted to get this done. I didn't have that much to do, so I figured I could get it in one take. So, those two gigantic Skeletors, my buddy Mark took both of those. And then it was funny. He said, okay, do you want $60 or do you want to trade? I said, I don't care. What do you want to do? He goes, I don't mind trading. He goes, let's go trade. So we went to his van and he opens up the door and has all this stuff there. He winds up giving me $333 worth of stuff. And I'm like, are you kidding me? He's like, no. He's like, he got this. These were $50. They're Star Wars Infinity Packs. And I guess it's from when the Wii first came onto the scene and they were doing different things through cable companies. And he's like, yeah, I got them all for $5. But this is what a good guy is. Instead of saying, I'll give you $10. Like 10 for each one, whatever it's called, credit. He gives me $5, what he paid for them. Like, I couldn't believe it. I was like, sure, if you want to do it that way, that's fine. But I'm trying to think, what else did I get from him? I think I got this from him. Yep. This is it. He gave me this thing, which is like almost impossible to find. He gave this to me, what he bought it for, which was $8. And he said this was $25. I've seen these before. I've seen certain ones, not this particular one, but I was like, oh my God, that's Skeletor. Skeletor riding on Panther. And I'm like, no, that's wrong. It was a saber cat, and it was orange and green. I remember from watching He-Man when I was a kid. And I said, oh, wait a minute. That was Skeletor's ride, the purple Panther. And I was like, the orange and green cat, that was He-Man's like creature to ride on. Like most people would ride a horse, they rode these. One was like a saber cat, and this one's a panther. So I thought that was really cool. And what a great guy. Mark is such a great guy. And I cannot believe, like, he gave me that stuff so cheap he didn't have to. But then again, when I was saying that, he was like, well, you didn't have to go to New York and get these from me. You didn't have to go to New York and get those from me. Because I got him a whole bunch of stuff. And these ones were relatively close, about 33 miles away in a place called Tunkhannock. But I'll tell you what, though. New York trips have been very prevalent. I've got a lot of stuff for them. All right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus Chronicles. I went to Crackle Barrel. My buddy Gary sent me a text and said, hey, Crackle Barrel's got Prism basketball cards. And I was like, yeah, by the time I get there, they'll all be gone. I mean, even though it's a 3-minute drive from my house, I could probably see the Crackle Barrel from where I live. But I'm opening up packs, because I said, they always have, this stuff is so rigged, they always have those cards. They always have the best cards. Wow, that is beautiful. Legendary. Legendary contenders. Okay. Saquon. Awesome. Okay, tickets. What a nice card that is. There, I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I tell these guys, like, even though I love these packs, I think they're awesome. These things are like worthless because every single pack has a Burrow, a Tua, or a Herbert, or two of each. Most packs has both, like 2 out of the 3 always, and then some packs you get all 3. Some packs you have multiple insert cards of the big 3. Like, I don't understand why these people that are making these cards are doing this. They're making so much of it that it's going to be worthless. Like the 90 some tops, 90 Donruss, those yellow ugly 91 Fleer cards. Like, all that stuff is garbage. Like, I had a guy at a show trying to tell me that 90, 91 hoops or whatever brand of bat, Fleer. Oh, what a great! Oh, these are worth $500. Oh, yeah, those things went for $2,000 for a while there. I'm like, anyone that would pay that's ridiculous. And he's like, why? What do you think they're worth? I'm like, I'd give you $5, maybe 10. He got $5. What are you crazy? I'm like, those things suck. They're terrible, and they were worthless. They were worthless then. They're worthless to me now. I wouldn't give you more than $5, $10 for a box of that garbage. And you're crazy. You're crazy. I could sell these for $250. I said, do it. I said, I have some boxes. In my back room. Maybe I should go sell. Here it is. Insert to a card. This one's called. This is an Omega. Ooh, that's a nice one. I got I don't know who this is. Tyler Johnson Omega. That's not bad. And then I got a Jonathan Taylor. Another insert card. Topps Finest. That's sweet. And then I got a Jalen Johnson from the Bears, a portrait card. Jordan Love portrait card. Oh, that's nice. Oh my God, look at all these players right in a row. Jordan Love, Jerry Jeudy, Tua, another Tua, J.K. Dobbins, and a Jalen Hurts. Like, this is what I'm talking about. These packs are so awesome. They give you so many good cards, and it's deliberate. You get 15 cards per pack, and you're getting, if you're not getting, like that pack, I got 2 too. I don't know if I've ever done that before. It's usually like Burrows and I can never remember the jackass's name from San Diego. What's his name? Herbert. But yeah, I usually get one of each of them. And they're usually insert cards. But it's really getting me upset because these are such beautiful cards. It's a beautiful set. And these scumbags are so overproducing it. I mean, who the heck have you ever in your life? They call them value packs. Yeah, okay. They're killing the value of these cards. It's pathetic. It really is pathetic. But okay, how much time? God damn it! All right. Chronicles Blaster. Score Blaster. We didn't want to be pigs. We went there. We got a couple blasters and a couple packs. And then we're like, let's go hit the other Crackle Barrel. So we drove to the other Crackle Barrel, and I got 3 of those. 3 Chronicles again, the value packs. I got they were selling Pokemon. This is so ridiculous. These guys are all trying to get in on the money. And I got a Prism Collegiate Drafts or whatever the heck they're called. Can you believe this crap? This is unreal. That was 2 different Cracker Barrels. Cracker Barrels is now selling cards. Unreal. Okay. This was at a place called Buckhorn. First time I ever went down there. First time I ever seen this. It's a blaster box of stickers. And I told them, I said, I thought it was adults ripping them apart to get who they wanted, but then the one guy said, nah, that's kids doing that. And I'm like, are you sure? He's like, I saw them doing it. I'm like, why didn't you say anything to them? Like, they're destroying the product. This one here is, who is that? Oh, these are football players. Okay, that's Saquon Barkley. I forgot, because there was baseball ones and football ones, and they're just destroyed. Kids ripping them apart. Well, that's what the one guy said, it was the kids. I really think it was the adults, but I could be wrong. Oh, Tom Brady. So I took him up to the counter. I said, this is bullshit. I said, you're going to have to call up the company and get new wrappings for them, or just throw them away or give them away. And the lady says, take them. So I did. I got a Saquon Barkley, a Brady, and whatever that is. And an Ezekiel Elliott. There was other ones too, but I mean, I only brought these ones over because they were the good ones, and I complained about it. I forget who. There was a fourth one I had. Oh, I gave her one. I gave her a crappy player. I forget who it was. But you believe that? You believe that? They're letting them throw stuff away. They're letting them throw stuff away. Oh, this is the Alex Lafreniere collection. I saw that on David Adams the other day. I just thought it was that rookie thing. I didn't even realize that's what that was. It's time. Bang these out as quick as possible. LeBron. Even though he's been a jerk. Marvin the Martian. And LeBron. And what are these? Oh, my 2 packs that I'm allowed. This is that Wilkes-Barre, by the way. Prism Draft. Sorry I couldn't reach him all the way over. Marvin the Martian was in the way. Alright. Okay, that's good. I got Bugs. And my buddy Mark wanted me to get him. He keeps saying, get me as many Marvin the Martian things you can. And I'm like, of what? And he's like, of anything. So I grabbed him 2 of these. If he doesn't want them, I don't care. I like Marvin the Martian. Matter of fact, when I first saw this set, the only thing that I wanted was Marvin the Martian. Because I figured they would have overproduced Bugs Bunny. Daffy Duck is sort of goofy. And Lola Bunny was like a made-up character, I guess. I never heard of that. Lola Bunny. Prestige and Prism. This is all stuff I got today. Pokemon tin. Be careful at Cracker Barrel. They overcharge you. Like these are supposed to be $4.99. One was charging $6.99. The other was charging $7.99. This one was charging. Really? Time's running out and it does that. They're charging $6.99 at this one. Peace.